स्टूडेंट स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस। लास्ट वीडियो हमने चैप्टर 3 किया था, कंप्लीट हो चुका था एक्सप्लेन। ओके, सो अभी वर्कबुक करते हैं। इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस फर्स्ट, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each question and write its relevant number letter in the provided against the question. First, with what does the Indian Constitution start? C. When did the Constitutions Committee start its work? 9 December 1946. Who was elected the President of the Constitutions Committee? B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Under whose chairmanship was the drafting committee formed? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who from the following was the female member of the Constitutions Committee? D. Sarojini Naidu. When did the Constitutions Committee pass the Constitutions of the India? 26 November 1946. When was our Constitution enforced? B. 26 January 1950. Which day was declared as Republic Day? You know. 26 January. After every how many years are general elections held in our country? Yes, always 5 years. हमने देखा हर 5 साल को इलेक्शन होता है. At what age does an Indian citizen gain universal adult franchise? Is the 18 years. By what name is the upper house of the parliament? No. Rajya Sabha. By what name is the lower house of parliament known? Lok Sabha. C A B A D C B A D A B C. Next, fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statements. Our constitution starts with the claimable. The Constitutions Committee started framing the constitutions from 9th December 1946. Blank was the president of the Constitutions Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Blank was the chairman of the drafting committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian Constitution was passed on 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India was enforced from 26 January 1950. Many objectives have been achieved through the constitutions. India has adopted democratic republic system of democracy. Elections are held in our country every 5 years. Indian citizens of age 18 years of about cast their vote in general election of our country. India is a secular and republic nation. Put a tick mark in the box against the following statements if they are true and a cross mark if they are false. The constitutions of our country start with the fundamental rights. It's a false. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was elected president of the Constitutions Committee. False. The work of the formation of the constitutions was completed in 166 meetings. Framing. इसके जगह पे true. One cannot imagine the administrations of a country without the constitutions. True. India has adopted the democratic system of government. True. The judiciary works to implement the laws made by the legislature. False. The whole country follows the rules made by the central government. True. False, false, true, 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 false, true. Is it clear? Identify me. पहचान बताओ. आई एम अ फेडरल स्टेट. यू नो हमने चैप्टर में देख लिया है. इंडिया. आई एम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड ऑफ द स्टेट. प्रेसिडेंट. द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस ऑफ एनी कंट्री कांट रन विदाउट मी. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस. आई एम द रिपब्लिक डे 26 January. I was elected as the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitutions. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I was elected as the president of the Constitutions Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I know as the soul of the Indian constitutions, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Done. Now next answer the following questions in one of the two sentences each. Of which national objectives is the Constitution of India a pioneer? The constitutions of India is pioneer of national objectives like public administration, socialism, secularism, and integrity. Second, when did the Constitutions Committee start its work? The Constitutions Committee started its work on 9 December 1946. Which national leaders were included in the Constitution Committee? ये टेक्स्ट बुक में हमें दिया है. ये टेक्स्ट बुक में से लिखना है. 3rd 4th हमें दिया ही है. इसके बाद 5 नंबर का, हु वर द चीफ फीमेल मेंबर्स ऑन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कमिटी? Sarojini Naidu and Vijayalakshmi Pandit were the chief female member in the Constitution Committee. 6 नंबर का है, who was elected president of the Constitution Committee? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected president of the Constitution Committee. Under whose chairmanship was the drafting committee formed? The drafting committee was formed under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When did the Constitution Committee pass the constitutions? The Constitution Committee passed the constitutions on 26 November 1949. देख लो 5, 6, 7, 8. क्वेश्चन रीड करना, ऐसे डायरेक्ट कॉपी मत करने लगना, कहीं पे लिख दो कहीं तो. Okay, clear? Now next, number 9. What is India's point of view as far as religions is concerned? India is a secular country as far as religions is concerned. Next, at what age can an Indian citizen gain universal franchise? The Indian citizen gains universal franchise as soon as she is 18 years old. Which are the organ of the central government? First, the legend, ये हमने देखा है ना, executive, the judiciary. What are the functions of the organs of central government? The legislature makes the laws, the exactly implement these law, and the judiciary provides justice. What guaranteed to fundamental rights give the citizens? Fundamental rights the guarantees that every citizen can lead a peaceful life as long as she inhabits the country. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. वापस रिपीट करे वो क्वेश्चन देख के आंसर लिखना, नंबर लिखे ही है मैंने. ओके, 1 to 15 complete. Last, answer the following question. What do you mean by constitutions? Explain. The systematic compilations of a set of rules to run the government of a country is known as the constitutions of the country. No country can function smoothly without a constitution which finally waves the ethos and ideals of a country. The constitutions of a country is the statement of its national goals and aims like democracy, socialism, and secularism, national unity, etc. A constitution can be in written on the unwritten form. It is framed by national and scholar leader of a country. Many objectives have been achieved through the constitutions. The constitutions is a document which waves our ideas. The type of government, laws, and judiciary are decided by the constitutions. ध्यान से देख लो फर्स्ट नंबर का. Okay. After next, India as a secular national. Explain. The government of India does not conform the norms of any particular religions or sect. Citizens are not discriminated on the basis of their faith, sect, or religions. Every citizen of the country is free to follow the religions of his or her choice. The Indian government is neutral in religious matters. Thus, it is said that India is a secular nation. The Constitution of India has declared India as a secular country. The Constitution has given religious freedom as a fundamental right to all citizens. Clear? After third, why is India known as a republic? In India, the government obtains power from the people directly and indirectly. India has adopted a democratic republic system of government. So, India is known as democratic republic. The rule of our country is not in the hands of the privileged few. All posts of state administrations are open to all citizens without any discriminations of religion, caste or gender. The Indian people can dismiss any government by election and they have supreme power to form new government. Thus, India is known as a democratic republic. ओके, नेक्स्ट ये 14 और 15 नंबर का बाकी है। सो 14 नंबर में क्या है, व्हेन वाज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया informs? The Constitution of India was informed on 26 January 1915. And 15 number में what are the silent features of the our constitution? So first, democratic rules, secularism, republic, states, supreme power of the people, and socialism form of society. क्लियर? सो वर्कबुक का ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है। टेक्स्ट बुक में जो एक्सरसाइज दी है वो सब वर्कबुक में आ चुके हैं, सिर्फ 2 ही क्वेश्चन, ये 1 और ये जो टेक्स्ट वर्कबुक में नहीं है, बाकी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड आइडेंटिफाई मी। तो ये जो टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज वो कंपलसरी आपको एसएस की नोटबुक में करनी है। वर्कबुक में जो क्वेश्चन आंसर करा है उसमें से देख के करनी है। बाकी के जो 2 क्वेश्चन है who were the main leaders in the formation of the constitutions of India? The main leader in the formation of the constitutions of India were national leaders like Jawaharlal, Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, etc. Moreover, there were constitution scholars like Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Kanhaiya Munshi, etc. In the Constitutions Committee, Flag Authority represented the Anglo-Indians and H.P. Modi represented the Parsis. Sarojini Naidu and Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit were the female member in the Constituent Committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected president of the Constitutions Committee. A drafting committee was formed to prepare the final draft of the constitutions under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. और नीचे जो है वो टेक्स्ट बुक का 4 नंबर का है। क्लियर? सो एसएस की नोटबुक में लिखना है।